Well, hello there. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen, guys. And I'm excited that you're here today because I'm making breakfast. I'm making ham and egg cups, and these make the perfect grab and go breakfast. They're also keto friendly, so if you are watching your carbs, then this is a great recipe for you. And they're very versatile. You can pretty much put whatever you want inside of the egg mixture. I'm gonna go with a Western theme and add peppers and onions to mine. But I've got my ingredients here on my counter, along with some beautiful and delicious farm fresh eggs. But I'll just go over these ingredients with you as I make them. But I will leave you the recipe in the description box below if you wanna go check that out. But we've gotta get started because it's that time to cook. All right, so I'm going to crack 8 eggs into a mixing bowl here. All right, so I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to give this a whisk. I'm also going to give a couple dashes of hot sauce. That's optional. I've greased a muffin tin, and now I'm just going to place a piece of ham inside of each muffin cup. All right, so I do have some peppers and onions. I'm going to saute mine up in a skillet with a little bit of butter just to soften them. But you don't have to do that. You could sprinkle them in raw if you like yours a little bit crunchier, but that's up to you. And this is about 1/2 cup of each. All right, so then I'm just going to place a spoonful of the peppers and onions inside of each ham slice. Then I have 2 different kinds of cheese. I've got mild cheddar and I've got pepper jack. So I'm actually going to use just a little bit of each. I want to blend, so I'm going to add some pepper jack and then I'm going to go back and add the cheddar. All right, now for the cheddar. Then I'm just going to pour a little bit of this egg mixture inside of each cup. All right, then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just look at these delicious ham and egg cups. Oh goodness, guys. That is so cheesy and creamy. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. Okay. Versatile. Time to cook. Yum.